Fresh pasta. Ingredients: 4 large eggs, room temperature. 2½ cups flour, 00 flour, semolina flour, all-purpose flour, or a blend. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon fine sea salt. Directions: place the flour in a mound on a large cutting board. Use your fingers or a spoon to create a good-sized well in the middle of the flour mound, kind of like a volcano. Add the eggs in the center of the well. Sprinkle the salt and drizzle the olive oil on top of the eggs. Use a fork to begin whisking the eggs until they are combined. Then begin to gradually whisk some of the surrounding flour into the egg mixture, adding more and more until the egg mixture is nice and thick. Use your hands to fold in the rest of the dough until it forms a loose ball. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes or until the dough is smooth and elastic, sprinkling some extra flour on the cutting board if needed to prevent sticking or if the dough seems too wet or sticky. Form the dough into a ball with your hands and wrap it tightly in plastic wrap. Let the dough rest at room temperature for 30 minutes. Use immediately or refrigerate for up to 1 day. Roll out the pasta dough into your desired shape, either by hand or using a pasta maker. Cook the pasta in a large pot of generously salted boiling water until it is al dente, usually between 1 to 5 minutes depending on the thickness of your pasta. Drain and use immediately.